Hello, dear students. Welcome you all to the 28th lecture of Marketing Management. And today we are going to discuss under Unit 4, the topic Channel Behavior and Conflict and Vertical Marketing System. Up till now, in this module, we have learned what is the meaning of distribution channels and their roles we have seen, and why marketing intermediaries use their roles and functions we have seen. After that, channel strategies we have seen, push strategy, and different types of distribution channels like zero level, the one first level, two level, three level channels we have seen. After that, we have seen that what are the roles of different intermediaries we have learned, and one case study also we have discussed. Today's topic is quite interesting and practical implications are used for this topic. So first is channel behavior and conflict. So channel conflict can be explained as any kind of dispute, differences, or any kind of disagreement arise between two or more channel partners, where one partner's activity or operations affect the business, sales, profitability, market share, or similar goal accomplishment of other channel partners. Like the conflict may happen between the wholesaler or retailer or agent or anyone, like we have discussed the different channel partners. So any kind of conflict between them which affects the goals or the profitability or the market share of other channel partners, we will say it is a kind of dispute among them. As we know that every manufacturing company needs to plan its distribution and marketing channel appropriately. So to ensure the market captivity and customer satisfaction along with the growth and profitability is very, very important. So now we have seen what is channel conflict. We understood this. So there are basically two kinds of conflict. Somewhere you can get four types of. So, but basically, major we discuss about two kind of conflict: horizontal conflict and vertical conflict. Somewhere you might find that multi-channel level conflict or inter-type channel conflict also, but here in your syllabus we will discuss these two types of conflicts: horizontal conflict and vertical conflict. So horizontal conflict, when we are saying this kind of conflict among the channel partners belong to the same level, like the issue between two or more stockists or might be retailers of different territories. And what are the grounds of that? Maybe based on pricing or manufacturer's bias. Okay, so this kind of conflict will happen at the same level, like retailer level, or one stockist is their stockist level. One example I am giving here. So there are two stores in a region which are given their territories. So if the store one is interfering the territory of store two, it will be a kind of your horizontal channel conflict. Second one is your vertical level conflict. In the vertical level conflict, the channel partners belongs to higher levels enters into the dispute with the channel member of the lower level or vice versa. Might be the wholesaler and conflict between wholesaler or retailer. Okay, so if one example is here, if the toy manufacturer discovers its products are arriving to the retailer stores later than the schedule, that time may be channel that time may any kind of conflict occur, or might be possible like sometimes wholesaler they start selling from their own store, so might be retailer have disagreement with this, so this kind of conflict may occurs. So causes of conflicts, if we are saying it might be the role ambiguity, people don't know what is their role, what are the distribution areas they have, okay, and incompatible goals are there, or marketing strategy or misalignment is there between the channel partners, okay, channel resistance is there, improper geographical distribution or demographic distribution is there, that channel partners don't know which territory they belongs to. So because of all those things, channel conflict may occur. Now what could be the consequences of channel conflict to a business? That is also very important. So there might be an unnecessary price war among the same level, or might be the vertical channel conflict. Okay, customer may be dissatisfied because of the conflict of channel partners. Sales will decrease. Okay, distributors will they want to exit from your supply chain or your this distribution channel because of too much conflict. And there will be poor public relations because public will openly see that there is some kind of misunderstanding between the channel partner. So to avoid such kind of conflicts, some businesses they came with a new concept called vertical marketing system. Okay, now let us learn what is vertical marketing system and how it works. So in a vertical marketing system, distinct pieces in the distribution channels, like your producers, wholesaler, retailers, they all work together as a unit to deliver product to the end customer. So this vertical marketing system emerged as a solution for your channel conflicts, where all the channel partners have some kind of conflicting goals and conflicting issues were there. So manufacturers thought that why can't we develop a kind of channel where all we work together to deliver the product to the end customers, and the result of that is vertical marketing system. So as we have seen in conventional system, each piece in the distribution channel function as an independent business, and they try to increase their own profits. Like retailer wants to increase their own profit, wholesaler wants to increase their own profit, and because of all these things, the conflict may arise. But in vertical marketing system, they help to reduce these kind of conflicts to mutual benefits of all parties. So here we can see that three types are there of market vertical marketing system: corporate vertical marketing system, contractual, and administrative. Let's see one by one what all these types of marketing systems. So first we will discuss about your corporate vertical marketing system. So, a corporate vertical marketing system streamlines the process by bringing all elements of the distribution channels from manufacturer to the stores under the ownership of a single business unit. Okay, it means the single person owns all the different channel intermediaries. Like example, I have given here Amway. You may all know this company. Okay, so this company manufacture different products and they sell products only through their authorized Amway stores. Okay, so here the ownership of the product and distribution is with the Amway itself. Okay, so you see here only one that um, only one manufacturer is there who is controlling the retailers, who is controlling the distributor. Everything is under the control of one single partner. Okay, a single member of the channel Amway. Next type of vertical marketing system is your contractual vertical marketing system. So under this contractual marketing system, the pieces of distribution channels continue to operate as individual entities. Okay, the business enters into contractual relationship with other elements in the distribution channels with their respective obligations and benefits spells out ahead of the time, like franchisee if you see here. Okay, what is most common type of contractual VMS is franchisee. So in franchisees, you know that all the franchisors they are in a contractual relationship with the main company or the manufacturers. Okay, in franchising, the producer authorizes the distributors to sell its product under the producer's brands against some annual licensing fees, like McD, Domino's, Pizza Hut, etc. You all know these all are the franchisees and one working on a contractual basis with the main company or the mother company. Okay, so this is second type of vertical marketing system, contractual. Third one is your administrative marketing, vertical marketing system. So it employs neither the formal contractual obligation or not the corporate ownership of the distribution channel. Okay, so it is totally different from the contractual as well as your corporate ownership. Okay, instead of this, one member of the distribution channels uh, which have enough power, they generally control the activities of other members of the distribution channels. Like example, I have given here brands like HUL, ITC, PNG. Commonly, they control the different intermediaries in the channel of distribution channels. So one another example, we can say that massive retail stores like Walmarts are there. Walmart is there, so they often have administrative vertical marketing system because they are such a huge name, big name. They can control the activities of other channel intermediaries. Okay, so all that necessary deals with the wholesaler or producers, they operate under one system, Walmart system. Okay, so Walmart itself, it is a massive group, big group which buys product from different companies. So they have the control over the intermediaries. So these are the three types of vertical marketing system we have learned: corporate vertical marketing system, contractual vertical marketing system, and administrative vertical marketing system. Under contractual, wholesalers is sponsored voluntary sales will come, or retailers cooperatives will come, or franchisees organization will come. Under franchisees organization, it could be manufactured sponsored retail franchisee system, or manufacturer sponsored wholesale franchisee system, or service firms sponsored franchisee system. I hope the concept is clear now. What is channel conflict we have learned today, and types of conflict like horizontal and vertical conflict we have seen, where the horizontal conflict we have seen that it happens between the same channel, uh, same level of your distribution channels, and like retailers versus retailers in the different two territories. And vertical channel conflict, we have seen that it arises between the different levels of distribution channels, might be between the wholesaler and retailer. After that, we have seen the vertical marketing system, why this kind of system emerged, we have seen, and what are the different types, corporative, contractual, and administrative, we have seen. And under corporative vertical marketing system, we have seen that one wholesaler or retailer have the control on the other members of the channels, like Amway example I have given you. Next is your contractual vertical marketing system, in which all the channel partners work independently, and the activities are based on a contract, like franchisees we have learned. And third one is your administrative marketing system, where the size and power of any member, and it gives the control over the distribution channels, like HUL, ITC, Procter and Gamble, or Walmart. I gave you the example. So I hope the concept is clear. If you have some issues, you can catch me over your WhatsApp group. I will solve your queries there. Thank you so much for watching today's videos.